Alright, so we're going on a little journey today. I picked up this OBS Chevy to be my new work truck, and I found a contractor cap for it, which is like a truck cap, but it has the boxes on the side of it. And the guy is up in Ohio. He's in a little small town, and he was having a hard time finding a ladder rack. So I told him, I said, well, look down my way. We got a lot more stuff listed down here by Pittsburgh. I said, look down my way, see if you can find a ladder rack. And if you can, I'll pick it up and I'll bring it up to you. So that's what we're doing. We're going to Aliquippa, PA to pick up a ladder rack, about a 40-minute drive. And then we're going to hit the road and we're going to go up to Ohio, right on the lake. I think it's Lake Erie. About a 2-hour drive. So get my contractor cap. It's a beautiful time of year here. All the leaves are changing and they're all starting to fall. And it's very pretty for taking a drive. So this truck has been running pretty good. It's a 1995 2500 4-wheel drive. It came out of Maryland, so it's pretty clean. It's got some patches and whatnot on it, but it's pretty clean overall. And I did have to rebuild. I did new head gaskets on it, and I did all the gaskets with that. So the whole top end is all refreshed. And I was still having an issue. It was burning some white smoke out the tailpipe. It wouldn't do it right away. After it would try to warm up, it would do it. And I thought maybe I screwed something up when I did the head gaskets, but what it turned out to be was the thermostat was stuck open, so it wasn't closing all the way, so the truck was always kind of cold, and it was dumping extra fuel in and everything to try to make up for the, try to get the temp up in the truck, and it just couldn't do it. So it was burning out the back end. Once I put a new thermostat in, no more smoke.
NEY to 64895 right now. We'll get you a confirmation text sent. Standard messaging data rates apply. Text Laney to 64.
Odyssey presents Launch Music You Should Know, introducing you to new artists and new music.
What's up there, turkey? You are not afraid of nothing. Alright, so mission accomplished. This is my $175 contractor cap. She's rough, but it's got what I need. It's got storage on both sides. We could definitely put some shelves in there and whatnot. It was definitely painted very poorly. And then up in this cabinet, we actually have a toolbox, which is kind of cool. All the struts need replaced, so I got to order a bunch of new lift struts, which hopefully Amazon has relatively cheap. And then I got to fix this back locking mechanism. But other than that, it's going to serve its purpose nicely. I'm going to clean it up a little bit. But I am here at Cardoolies. I don't know, the guy recommended this as a good place to eat. Let's go check it out.